How to restore Viber messages. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to restore Viber messages. To restore Viber messages, you need to follow the steps. So before you restore your Viber messages, or to do this procedure, you'll have to make sure that you've already turned on your backup. Otherwise, you'll not be able to restore your messages. So here, click the more button at the bottom of the page, and after which you want to go to settings, and then you want to go to account. Then you just need to go to Viber backup, and or else you could just go to the tap on restore at the bottom of the page, and then the restore will start happening. So this is the way you could actually restore Viber messages or recover your messages. This is only applicable if you actually turn on your Viber backup or previously. So that's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.